going to have to hold on to this radio. It's so lightweight in its plastics case that it's going to wander all over the bench. This is a Maxcom 20E, which is coming for service from a customer. Came in doing 3.2 watts. It should be doing 4 watts now. Deviation was far too high. Sensitivity we haven't been able to really improve on, and we've got it at 0.74 of a microvolt for 12 decibels synod. But the receiver will be much clearer now because the detector is now set up and it wasn't before. And we've also brought it onto frequency, so we'll see whether Mr. Chippie is out there. Tango 21 calling Mr. Chippie. D-copy.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Roger, just checking that you're there, and you are.
You're just checking I'm there, or are we ready to proceed?
We are ready to go.
Roger that. Off we go. Right, we'll just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. I may end up putting an extension speaker on this. It doesn't sound very clever.
Roger that one, too.
So I think the internal speaker's faulty. So we may have to, we'll go over to the external speaker just to prove that, if it carries on being as dreadful.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station, and I'm going to plug the external speaker in now. I don't like to do these tests with an external speaker because it's an unfair advantage, but we can't be listening to it all distorted. The cone will be rubbing, they get gritting over the years, so that's something which we'll need looking at. You can't tell with the signal generator, you can't tell with the pink noise from FM, you can only really tell with the voice.
Right, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner to Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, loud and clear, and I'm on a Maxcom 20E from 1982, and it's doing a full 4 watts. Over.
Roger that, all received. Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford level crossing.
Now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. So it's just before then that breaker who answered my 1-9 for Roger would have been. It'd been about 4 miles away, which is where Mr. Chippie is now. Roger got you at the Greyleys turn. Roger got you going over Rawsby level crossing, also known as Greyleys, and that concludes the test. Thank you. 10-10. So you notice we didn't hear the word Rawsby. We'd have had to ask him to repeat it. We didn't know what he'd said, but we know he's at Rawsby level crossing. So as he just goes over that crossing, as it shakes the aerial around, he usually does drop out on that word. So yes, I mean the sensitivity isn't as we had yesterday on the Comtron, which uses a similar chassis, but this is horses for courses, and there's a tolerance from one set to another. The set's doing full 4 watts, and this time there's enough of it going out on 27 megs for Mr. Chippie to hear us, unlike yesterday. So we will be doing a little spot test on that set from yesterday, but that won't be today. Mr. Chippie's off back home for the weekend to I say Bradford, but he lives at Chippie. So he's going to go straight off right now. So we'll go over to our base station and we'll hear what this sounds like on the factory original microphone.
Tango 21 testing the Maxcom 20E to our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 12345 54321. This is a radio from 1982 and this is